Minder bevoorregte Kaapenaars hoef nie bekommerd te wees dat al hierdie Sondag, die dag waarop moslems reg oor die wêreld Eid vier, sal honger ly nie. Met behulp van 453 mans sal 130 liter potte kos deur die nie-regeringsorganisasie Nakhlistan gekook word en van Atlantis tot Ocean View versprei word.
Nakhlistan is a Persian word and it means an oasis, and just like an oasis provides sustenance in the desert, likewise Nakhlistan providing food for the less fortunate within the Western Cape. 28 years ago, three friends came together, the late Dawood Parker, Shahzadullah Khan and Shakur Mauza, and they realized that in the immediate community there were people who never had a plate of food on the day of Eid al-Fitr. Then what they decided was to start off with cooking 2 pots of food, and 28 years later Nakhlistan has grown from cooking 2 small pots of food to, on Sunday, we will be distributing 151 by 130 litre pots of food, and we will be able to feed over 65,000 of the less fortunate within the Cape Town community.
Altesaam 4 ton vleis, 3 ton rys, 2.7 ton aardappels, 850 kg eie en 300 kg speserye sal gebruik word om die feesmaal voor te berei.
So if I stretch my arms out, we have Atlantis on the one side and we have Ocean View on the other side, and all the areas in between. That is what Nakhlistan does. Nakhlistan sees to Valhalla Park, to Bonteheuwel, to Lavender Hill and surrounding areas, to Vrygrond, Makassar, Bonteheuwel, Manenberg, Hanover Park, Mitchells Plain, in the Bridgetown area, in the Athlone area. So in all the areas that requested food from Nakhlistan, Nakhlistan went to check them out, and once it has been verified that that area needs food, Nakhlistan then gives the food in that area. So that is how we know that we give the food to areas that truly need food in the Western Cape on the day of Eid al-Fitr. And we feed everybody. We don't ask, are you Muslim, are you Christian, are you Jewish? On that day, when we are dishing out, whoever needs food can come to Nakhlistan and the food will be distributed to them.